Alright, what is up guys? I'm so excited to show you how to download these presets on your phone without even needing a computer or Lightroom on your desktop. It's super easy and also super quick. So the very first step we're going to take is we go to the App Store and we need to download the app called Documents. This is basically a file manager for iOS. So all Android people, you can skip this step. Alright, so download this app, and once you downloaded the app, you need to download the presets. So if you haven't yet, go back to the checkout page or simply click the link in the email I sent you. And when you click on the link, what's it going to do? It will bring up this screen right here, and then just click on Open in Documents, or if it doesn't show up, click on More, and then on Copy to Documents. And when you are in the Documents app, just double tap the zip file. This is going to extract the presets, and once it's extracted, you just go into the file. Then you're going to go in the preset pack, go to Mobile Presets, select all of the presets, and click on Move. Now you want the presets to be moved to your photos. So we click on Photos, click. This is going to take a few seconds. All right. And now you only need to open Lightroom. Then click on the button Import from Camera Roll. And then select all of your presets. So now it's importing all of the presets. And then just hop into a photo, and what you're going to do now is to click on the button with the three dots in the top right corner and click Create Preset. This is going to copy all of the adjustments that are embedded in the photo, and we're going to name it as the file Warm Sunrise. All right, perfect. And now you just do this with every preset. And once you're done, after that, they will be there forever. You get these presets for a lifetime, and whenever you take a photo and open it in Lightroom, at the bottom, you have all the tools, and you're going to scroll all the way through the right-hand side and click on User Presets. And here you have all of the presets. And as you can see, when it comes to photography, every single photo you take in a different place at a different time of day, it's going to have a different level of brightness because of the light. And it's also going to have a different color temperature depending on if it's in the middle of the day or if it's closer to sunset or sunrise. So that's going to be a variable that changes with every photo. And since the brightness and the color temperature are the only two variables that change, you can click any preset and it will pretty much work for you. Now this shrinks the whole process down from multiple hundreds of adjustments to only two variables, making it super easy for everyone. So let's say you find a preset where the colors look a little weird or it's just too bright. What you're going to do is just scroll over to the button where it says Light and adjust the exposure until it looks good. All right, that's fine. And now the only variable besides of light is the color temperature. So scroll over to color and adjust the temperature until it looks good. I think I might even go a little bit lower with the light. Yep, perfect. And I think that looks pretty good. And if you look at the before and after, it's definitely a big difference, and I like that a lot. And it seems like you guys also love them as well, since what amazing feedback I already received. So yeah, so that is how you make any preset work for any photo, even though it might not look too great when you first add it, but with these two adjustments, it works all the time. Alright, that's pretty much it guys. I hope that helps you guys out, and that was how you exactly download these presets on your phone and edit all of your photos with just one step. Over years and years of editing and learning how to edit my photos, I've now compressed all that knowledge into these 3 preset packs that I use whenever I'm traveling, and they save me, like literally, they save me so much time. Yeah, with that said, enjoy your presets. Feel free to DM me or ask me any questions. Just let me know and enjoy your presets.